Pagkatapos ng masayang salo-salo, naghuhugas na siya ng mga plato gamit ang Joy, ang dishwashing liquid na mabilis na natatanggal ang lahat ng grasa at dumi. Kumpara sa Brand X. Masaya siyang naghuhugas kasi madali lang linisin ang hagasin. Wow, tanggal lahat ng sebo sa Joy kaya gumamit ka na ng Joy.
Good evening. This is Larka Dardamis with the latest weather update for Naga City. Today, Naga City experiencing mostly cloudy skies with intermittent showers throughout the day. The local weather bureau reports that the low pressure area is currently influencing the region, contributing to the increased cloud cover and occasional rainfall. Temperatures in Naga City are ranging between 24 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels remain high, making it feel warmer than the actual temperature. Residents are advised to stay hydrated and to carry an umbrella if heading outdoors. For the upcoming days, suggest continued cloudy conditions with scattered rain showers. The chance of thunderstorms also remains moderate, particularly in the late afternoon and evening. In outdoor activities, it is recommended to check local weather updates frequently and to be prepared for sudden change in weather. The latest on the weather in Naga City, stay tuned for more updates.
Ngayon naman gagamitin natin ang Brand X. Makikita naman na ang tagal bumula ng Brand X di tulad ng Joy. At matagal ding banlawan ang hagasin pag Brand X ang gamit. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng magandang sabon panghugas ng plato, mag-Joy na kayo.